Hi guys, welcome to TechBased. In this video, we're going to see how to copy or migrate Windows 11 to another disk or another partition in 2026. This is going to be a step-by-step guide in which we will use Easys Disk Copy, which is the best software on the market that you can use to do this process. With Easys Disk Copy, you can clone your HDD to an SSD. You even have sector-by-sector copy and also guaranteed system boot after cloning without the chance of blue screens or anything like that. It is also fast and efficient, and you have a responsive technical support available if needed. More information about Easys Disk Copy will be in the description below if you want to use it. But in this video, we're also doing a giveaway with Easys, and we're giving away 5 licenses for Easys Disk Copy. All you need to do is to leave a comment below stating why would you need a license for Easys Disk Copy, and I'm going to select some of you from the comments, and you're going to receive a license to be able to use the pro version of the software without any limitations. So now let's move on and see how we can copy or migrate our operating system in Windows 11 in 2026. For the purpose of this video, I have on my machine 2 different disks, and I want to move the operating system from the C partition to the E partition. Let's say, for example, the C partition is an HDD and the E partition is an SSD. I want to move my whole operating system here. We can do that really easily using Easys Disk Copy. So let's just open up the software, and the software, as every other software from Easys, has a very minimalistic interface. It is really simple to use. You have the disk mode, which allows you to copy a disk to another disk, the system mode, which allows you to migrate an OS, the partition mode, which allows you to clone a partition. You also have the option to create an emergency disk in case you have a crash system and you want to clone your data, and also network clone, which allows you to clone disk data over the network. In this video, we're going to use the system mode, which will allow us to quickly do the process that we want to do in this video. Basically, move everything from the C partition to the E partition and be able to boot up from the E partition with no issues. So let's do that right now. We're going to select the system mode. Make sure it automatically selects the right operating system. In this case, it is the C partition in Windows 11 64-bit. Now let's select the target disk, which will be the disk 1 or the E partition. We're going to select this and then click on next. We're also going to preview the partition layout. So as you can see here, this will only copy the C partition, even though the other disk has some unallocated space. It will only copy that partition. You can also use the sector by sector copy if you want to do so, but in this case, it is not necessarily needed. And we also have here autofit the disk. You can even edit the disk layout if you want to do so, but from my own experience, I think it is best that you leave all the settings as default. After you double check everything, disk 0 to disk 1, we can click on the proceed button, and then as you can see, the data on the target disk will be erased. Please ensure you have selected the correct target disk and then click on continue to start. You can even click on reselect if you want to double check that. You can even go back if you want to do so, but in this case, it is correct. The E partition is the correct one. We can even reselect it. In this case, we're going to select it, click on next, then click on proceed, and then click on continue. And now the whole process will start. Of course, it's going to take some time depending on the size of the disk or the partition that you want to migrate, but in this case, we have about 50 gigabytes that have to be copied and migrated basically, and we're going to get a bootable system here. That is also really nice by using the system mode from Easys Disk Copy. So now all we have to do is to wait until the process is finished. As you can see, you're also updated in real time here whenever the volume is copied, the source partition, the target partition, and as you can see now, we're moving on to the copying volume part, and now basically all the information will start to be copied. In this case, as you can see, even though we have a 50 gigabytes partition, the process shouldn't take that long. And now after the process is finished and the operation is successful, we can choose whether we want to automatically adjust the boot order to boot from the current target disk or set the boot order later. In this case, we're just going to select automatically adjust the boot order, and let's click on reboot now and reboot on the new disk that we have created with the new migrated OS. And as you can see, we've successfully booted up from that target disk. The operation of migrating our operating system or Windows has been successful. For those of you who are interested, I'm using the latest version of Windows 11 25H2 on the May release in this test, and we've successfully done that. We can check that out by going into the disks and volume section of Windows 11, and we can check that we are right now booted up from the second disk. So the operation that we've done using Easys Disk Copy has been successful, and we've successfully migrated or copied our system from a disk to another. Don't forget to check out Easys Disk Copy in the description below, and don't forget to leave a comment below stating why you need a pro license for Easys Disk Copy, and you're going to have a chance to win one of the 5 pro licenses from the giveaway that we're doing with Easys. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. As you from TechBased, until next time, have a nice day.